So you got your offer accepted. Congratulations. Now what happens next? This is just the beginning of the home buying process, so please pay attention as there's still a lot of moving parts that you should be aware of. Hi, this is Richard Freedkin, Realtor with eXp Realty, and today I'm going to discuss what the Illinois 5-day attorney approval period is after contract acceptance. So after your offer is accepted, we enter into a period called the 5-day attorney approval period. Although sometimes it can take a little bit longer than that, as I will explain. During the 5-day attorney approval period, the buyer must perform any and all inspections they want to do, such as a home inspection, a roof inspection, a radon test, or any other inspections that they feel are needed. If the market's very busy, sometimes it may take a few extra days to get these inspections scheduled and/or completed. So the buyer's attorney will typically ask for an extension of a few extra days, which I rarely ever see get rejected by the other side. During the 5 days while inspections are being done, both attorneys will be consulting with their clients to go over the contract terms to see if there's any modifications or terms that need to be negotiated, except, however, the purchase price is not something that can be renegotiated during this time. Typically, one or both attorneys may send a letter rejecting the contract if there are terms that are just not acceptable to one or both parties and they don't want to renegotiate them, but they just want out. However, that's rare. Most of the time, the attorneys wait to send their respective letters until after the buyer has completed their inspections and discussed any repairs or credits with their agent and/or attorney. Then those items are also included in the buyer's attorney letter, which is then sent to the seller's attorney. Usually this process only takes a couple of days to get through, unless there's some big issues that need further inspections or need longer negotiations. Keep in mind that as long as the 5-day attorney approval is still an open item, and the buyer's attorney has put in writing all extensions requested and they've been granted by the sellers, then your earnest money is still safe. If during the attorney approval period the parties cannot come to an agreement on the terms, then either party can back out of the contract for any reason and the earnest money must be returned to the buyer. If all terms are agreed upon in writing, then the attorneys will send out a letter to all parties stating that the attorney approval period is now closed and we can move on to the next part of the process, which, if the buyer's getting a loan, involves getting the mortgage company to start the loan process and ordering an appraisal. But that step is best discussed in another video. I hope this gives you a better understanding of just one of the many steps in the home buying process. As always, if you have any questions regarding buying a home, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to hear from you. Again, this is Richard Freedkin with eXp Realty, and I've got you covered. I hope you make it a great home buying or home selling day.